Today we're going to look at graphing parabolas by finding the vertex. So, what does that mean? Well, vertex is either the highest or the lowest point. We're going to find that first, and then just plug in a couple of values. Actually, we're just going to plug in one other value, and then we'll get the graph. So, let's take a look at this. So the instruction says to graph, so we need to draw a graph, and we're graphing that function there, and by finding the vertex and then two other points on the parabola. So we have to find the vertex and two other points. So to find the vertex, we use the opposite of b, the negative of b, and 2 times a. This is the x-coordinate of the vertex. So then we gotta use this. We gotta see. Well, for our equation here, we know that if there's no number, it's just 1. So that means a is 1 because a is the number in front of x squared. It's like y equals ax squared plus the bx plus c. So a is 1, b is 6. And c is -3 right there. We don't need the c value, but there we go. So I plugged that in. You can do this in your head, probably. It's -6 on the top, and then 2 times a. A is 1. Okay, so then we have -6 over 2, which is just -3. So there we go. We have the x-coordinate of the vertex. It's -3. Normally I wouldn't write all that stuff down, but there you go. To find the y-coordinate, you plug in x to this. What? Yeah, you plug it into this. What? Yeah, you plug it into this. What? Yeah, you plug it into this. What? He's going to do it again. Yeah, you plug it into this. What? All right, that's enough. So you plug in -3 into that, and you get this. You could just do on the calculator, but you could get what? -3. That's 9 plus 6 times -3. 6 times 3 is 18. So that's -18. 9 minus 18 is -9. Minus 3 is -12. So then we have the vertex. There we go. So this one was from the -b over 2 times a, and this one was calculator. You just get it in the calculator. Okay, so it said graph this by finding the vertex, then 2 other points on the parabola. So to find the 2 other points, for the 2 other points, I already know where the vertex is, and so I'll do that in the middle. I'm not going to write it right there. I'm going to write it in the middle there. I know that if I plug in -3, I get out -12. So I want a number here and a number here. So I'm just going to go one to the left and one to the right. So this would be -4. This would be -2. And I'll plug those in to see what my y-coordinates are. That's amazing. Because this is the vertex, I don't need to calculate the second y-coordinate because it will be the same as that coordinate. So, put this in for x. What do I get? That's what, 16 plus 24. That's positive 16 minus the 24, minus 3. And that equals -11. Now, this one is going to be -11. I'm going to double check anyways in my calculator, but it should be -11 there because this is the vertex. It's the middle. La mitad. Vertex, middle, whatever you want to say. So that means these have to be the same on either side. So let's see. What are those? What are those? We have a -2. That'd be 4 minus 12, right? Plus a 6 times -2. Minus 3. Yep, it works. So we're ready to plot this now. We're ready to plot it on a XY coordinate plane. So what we get this right here, just like so. And I gotta go up to 12 or negative 12. So I'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You don't need to see me do this. And then I'll plot these. So I'll do it in green. Negative 4, comma, negative 11. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 11. That would be right there. Looks like negative 4, negative 11, and then now negative 3, negative 12. So negative 3, that'd be there. Oh, maybe this one is a little bit over. Right? Yeah. What was that? Negative 11. So we got that. This one, it's negative 12. So this is a little bit more down there. A little bit more, like this. And then we have the other one. It's negative 2 and negative 11. So we get a negative 2. 1, 2. What is that? I do that crooked. This is close enough. So I got this. Oh, look at that happy day. Oh, he's a kind of skinny. Maybe a little bit not skinny. But we have this. It is all, this is nice. This is how we do it. And that's all you have to do. That's all the boat is, floats your boat. What? That's it. That's it. That's all we need. That's pretty sweet. Cool. Yeah, I'm done. Goodbye.